The female tennis player bounced the tennis ball on the tennis racket. The man bounced up and down on the trampoline. The young woman bounced up and down on the bed. The woman bounced the ping pong ball on the ping pong bat. The man bounced the football on his head. The kangaroo bounced high into the air. The child bounced up and down in the bouncy castle. The basketball player bounced the basketball on the ground. The children bounced on the bouncy balls. The child bounced the bouncy ball on the ground. The ball bounced up high into the air. The ball bounced over the net. The tennis player bounced the tennis ball up and down before she served the ball. The table tennis player bounced the table tennis ball on the table tennis bat.